So guys, it's the 26th of October in the aftermath of Storm Bert. You can see a huge amount of activity going on in this field. I'm just going to walk down this lane. You can see it was a complete awash with flood water, but they're pumping that beck out, which flooded the railway line. I'm going to show you that in a tick, and it looks like they're going to actually divert the course of the beck along where those metal tripod things are. Presumably they've put some kind of membrane inside it or something, and they're going to divert it down there. Now whether that's a temporary thing, I'm not sure, but that would be really interesting. I've never seen anything like that before. But what happened, I don't know if you can see, that's the original course of the beck here, coming down here. So they're taking it over there to join a larger beck further downstream. So what happened was, during Storm Bert we had this huge amount of rainfall, like many other parts of the country, but more so in the west. Excuse me. And this beck became a raging torrent, and it comes down there. You can see it went down there, and then it goes over onto the railway line, and it just washed away the embankment completely in that part where it came through, and flooded the railway line, and covered it in tons of debris, so the line was blocked. But credit where it's due, you can see now, hopefully, where that bit there, that's where it all came down, and then all the track there was just completely blocked. So they put those big massive concrete reinforcement blocks in, and they've cleared the line and everything. I mean, all that was totally underwater, it was incredible really. So they put that reinforcement in, and as I say, whether the diverting the beck is a temporary thing, I'm not sure. I'll show you, just span around this side. It was flooded down there as well, but not as much as the other place. So it's quite a sight. There's lots of people coming because nobody's ever seen anything like this, I doubt, for a long time anyway. Okay, catch you later then.